To solve the problems from environmental pollution and global warming, renewable energy technology including solar, hydraulic, and wind energy was developed. And energy generated this way is stored in the energy storage system that produces and uses electricity efficiently. The supercapacitor is an energy storage system by the principle of the positive electrodes and the negative electrodes attracting each other by forcibly placing different electrodes between two metal plates. It is used to store solar energy using the long life of the 500,000 to 1 million charging and discharging cycle and quick charging function. Therefore, Kyungil GreenTech Co Ltd has developed the solar energy storage system using a semi-permanent, eco-friendly supercapacitor with no risk of fire, high efficiency, and no need to replace the batteries as a storage system. It is mainly composed as a supercapacitor, solar cells, a controller, and an LED. It has a proved simple structure so as to reduce manufacturing costs and prevent minor breakdowns. The supercapacitor is the safest energy storage system in the world, using coconut shells as its main materials. It is a sustainable, semi-permanent, eco-friendly energy storage system that can be set-and-forget products without replacing the batteries, charging through solar energy once it is installed, since it can be fully charged and discharged hundreds and thousands of times. To use a supercapacitor as an energy storage system, Kyungil GreenTech Co Ltd composes a supercapacitor energy storage system with a desired capacity by assembling each supercapacitor with supercapacitor modules and connecting it in series, and modularizing the assembled unit supercapacitor modules. Energy charged this way provide power to LED lights from sundown when it is already difficult to charge through solar energy using a controller. The combined supercapacitor using special technology has no difficulty to leave lights on all night long. Looking at its operation process, at daytime, the solar energy generation module on a street lamp collects and stores solar energy in a supercapacitor in the street lamp. Kyungil GreenTech solar energy generation module is specially designed to increase generation efficiency and be charged even when it's snowing by controlling its temperature through a hole designed for ventilation, so it can generate solar energy regardless of the temperature. The supercapacitor of Kyungil GreenTech Co Ltd, which has a charging efficiency of 95 to 99%, can be fully charged in bad weather and prevent damage or breakdown by a voltage difference with its evenly distributed voltage. The safe, eco-friendly, and technologically competitive solar energy storage system of Kyungil GreenTech Co Ltd has been recognized for its technical prowess, as it is supplied worldwide including Indonesia, Mongolia, Russia, Guinea, Korea, and Japan. Kyungil GreenTech Co Ltd will contribute to the development of the national industry and eco-friendly energy market with better product quality by developing and applying sustainable eco-friendly energy storage systems through continuous field tests and development and constant experiments and improvements.